it's a pathway. Say, boy, what you doing with your life? With those tattoos on your face. Say, boy, you know that you pay the price. Well, I guess I'll see when I head that way. To the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, I hold you nearest, my best friend. Let the trumpets blow with your appearance. I can almost hear it, my best friend. When you wish me hail upon my soul and spirit, behold these lyrics. I got a best friend. Yeah, I got a best friend. Yeah, I don't know much about holy Bibles, but I grew up in the Bible Belt. I put my love over woman on idol, because I got beat with my mama's bill. But I learned from my mistakes. Try hard to respect people for what they believe in. But if you spit on my fucking grave and wish me hell, then I wish you well. I'ma send you straight up to my best friend. To the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, I hold you nearest, my best friend. Let the trumpets blow with your appearance. I can almost hear it, my best friend. When you wish me hail upon my soul and spirit, behold these lyrics. I got a best friend. Yeah, I got a best friend. Yeah.
God, please, would you arm me with the armor to calm me when it's drama like Gandhi? Could've gone the other way many times, could've turned Ali with the llama, but I squashed my beefs and things seem to be looking decent recently, but don't jinx it. It's like Clint Eastwood looking for peace, though maybe not finna enter the priesthood, but at least should make an attempt to show some remorse and to be some sort of repenter for the people. I've been a minister, not a preacher, but a shit starter and finisher. Into the mind of a thick skin, but a short tipper. This patience of mine is thinner than twine is when I get attacked, so I might say something back that might offend you. So if you don't like when I rap or what I have to say on the mic, then you might wanna act just like quarterbacks and take a fucking hike when I snap, cause I'm a sinner and
I got a best friend.
plus balls and intestines, and they never been yes men. They gon' tell me when I'm fucking up the minute I'm ever giving it less than I'm about to vomit and I can feel it coming, cause failure's something I can barely stomach, and I only listen to my guts unless you're my fucking belly button. Don't tell me not doing my
best friend.
Who you think I'm talking about? Lift me up when I'm down and out. Still look to him without a doubt. Still got a
best friend.
Shout it out like there's never been a loud amount. Should've never been allowed a mouth. Now that I got a higher power, now when I black out, power out. It's loud, like powerless, but they crowd around. They tend to flock like shepherds. The black sheep, but I'll be the worst thing that these motherfuckers ever heard. When I'm counted out, you'll be DOA. They'll announce but pronounce you dead when they sound it out. So prepare for arrival. Your arch enemy surrounds you now. He's all around you. Not even the doctors at the hospital are gonna shiggy shock you back to life. Just a piggy possible to revive you. That's word to the diggy guy.